Hello friends, today we are going to read Bulldozer Friends. Let's start. My name is Oliver. When I go to school, my brother stays with my mom. But that's okay because my friend Annie is in my class. We like to build together. We draw and play trains and dress up and paint. After snack, it is time to go to outside. At school, we have a dump truck, a cement mixer, a grader, a louder and crane. I like the bulldozer. I'm the bulldozer man. My bulldozer is big and strong. It crawls on tracks. The blades pushes dirt. I like to dig with Annie. We are a team. We work together like a real construction crew. We dig tunnels. We build roads and bridges. We make a moat around the castle. Sometimes I let Annie drive the bulldozer. She pushes lots of dirt just like me. Then it is time to clean up. We go back into our classroom. Our teacher reads books to us. The best one is about bulldozers. When school is over, my brother and mom are there. So are Annie's mom and sister. My friend Annie and I say goodbye. I can't wait to play with her at school tomorrow. The end. I hope you love these books, friends. See you next time with a different book. Bye bye.